Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to order alcohol from Swiggy. First of all, you will need to check whether alcohol delivery is available in your city and region. Now, if it is available, then you will need to open your Swiggy and search for alcohol delivery options if supported. Browse available products and add items to your cart. You will typically need to verify your age during the ordering or delivery process. Complete payment and place your order. Availability depends on local laws and regulations, so the option may not appear in every location. And that's it. That's how alcohol delivery works on Swiggy. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.